How do you know if your Blackwood, New Jersey home's windows are failing? One of the first signs of failing windows is feeling a draft. You shouldn't be able to feel major temperature differences near your windows, much less a slight gust of wind. Drafty windows indicate that your weather stripping or seals are no longer effective. Rising energy bills can mean your windows are not working well. Cold air can leak in to make your furnace work harder, and warm air will make your air conditioner work overtime. Getting more energy efficient replacement windows can help a lot here. Are your windows hard to open or close? This issue means that the window frame is not working well and can also indicate problems with your home's foundation. It's important to get both checked out. Gaps in your windows, especially in the joints of the window frames, are also a sign you need a replacement. Open gaps mean that outside weather has a better chance to come in, along with cold or hot air. Call Ameritech Services at 856-418-1029 for professional window replacement services in Camden County, New Jersey. We look forward to serving you.